Hi my beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to use sequence function using text and numbers. So for my case, for instance, you have maybe text data which is day 1 and maybe day 2, so you want to go until all the way to day 1000, or for instance like day 20 or something. So I'm going to show you using Excel. That means we'll concatenate between text and numbers in a very simple way. So what I'll do, I'll just delete this and I'll put my function. So you put an equal sign. So for you put that text which you want it to be acting as repetitive. So you make a double string, for instance, day, then concatenate. That means you put an and like this. Then now you put a sequence function, sequence SU key, yeah, like that. Then rows, how many rows? For instance, I want maybe 500. Then the columns, which columns? For my case, there's only one column, the first column. So I'll put 1. So when I press the bracket, then I press enter, that means that day 1 to day 500. You can always cross check like this, you see? Here. Simple like that. So you have your sequence in text and numbers with a function in a very simple way with just only one line of command. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.